Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super handy tutorial: how to add your Presto card to Google Wallet on both Android and iPhone devices in 2025. If you're in Toronto or any area using Presto for public transit, this step-by-step guide will save you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. First off, what's a Presto card? It's a reloadable card for seamless public transportation payments in Ontario, Canada. Adding it to your digital wallet means you can tap your phone to pay, track your balance, and manage funds on the go. Perfect for 2025's fast-paced world. Starting with Android devices, which work directly with Google Wallet. Open the Google Wallet app on your phone. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Head to the Google Play Store if needed. Next, tap the plus icon to add a new card. Select Transit or Payment Cards, then choose Presto Card. You'll need to scan your physical Presto card or enter the details manually. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your card. This might involve a quick authentication step. Once added, you're good to go. Just select it as your default payment method for transit. Now, for iPhone users, things are a bit different since iPhones use Apple Wallet, not Google Wallet. But don't worry, you can still add your Presto card through the Wallet app. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone, tap the plus button, and select Transit Card. Search for Presto and follow the instructions to add it. You may need to enter your card details or use the camera to scan it. After verification, your Presto card will be ready for use with Apple Pay at supported transit points. A quick tip: ensure your device is updated to the latest iOS or Android version for 2025 compatibility, and check if your Presto card is active. If you run into issues, restart your phone or contact Presto support. There you have it. Adding your Presto card is straightforward and will make your daily commute a breeze. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.